Life is not always easy. Some days feel long. Some days feel heavy. Some days make you feel sad or tired. You may sit on your bed and think, why is my life like this? You may feel lost. You may feel alone. But even when life feels dark, better days are coming. They are not gone. They are on their way to you, slowly but surely. When you have a bad day, everything feels hard. You do not want to move. You do not want to talk. You do not want to try. Your mind tells you many negative things. It says, I cannot do this. I am weak. Nothing will change. But these thoughts are not true. They only show how you feel in the moment. They do not show your real power. You are stronger than you think. You have lived many days before. You have faced problems before. And you are still here. This means you can continue. This means you can grow. It is normal to feel sad sometimes. It is normal to feel tired. Every person has these moments. You are not strange. You are not broken. You are simply human. And humans go through ups and downs. Some days are difficult. Some days are peaceful. Some days are full of hope. The important thing is to remember that days change. Feelings change. Life changes. Nothing bad stays forever. Think about a rainy day. The sky is dark. The air is cold. The ground is wet. You cannot see the sun. But the sun is still there. It is only behind the clouds. Later, the clouds move. The sun appears again. Life is like this too. Your good days are like the sun. Your problems are like the clouds. The clouds stay for a while, but they do not stay forever. Better days come when you keep going. You do not need to move fast. You only need to move a little. One small step is enough. You can wake up, drink water, eat something simple, and breathe slowly. These actions look small, but they help your body and your mind. When your body feels better, your heart feels lighter. You can also talk to someone. Talking helps you feel less alone. You can talk to a friend, a family member, or a teacher. You can say simple words like, I feel sad today, or I need someone to listen. You do not need perfect English. You only need to share your feelings. Many people care about you more than you know. Another way to help yourself is to rest. Resting is not weak. Rest gives you energy. Rest gives you peace. When you rest, your mind becomes calm. When your mind is calm, hope can enter again. And hope is important. Hope is like light. Hope tells you things can be better. You can try again. You can also look at the small good things in your day. Maybe the weather is nice. Maybe you hear a good song. Maybe you drink warm tea. Maybe you smile at someone. These are small things, but they matter. They show that life has good parts too. When you see good things, your heart feels warmer. You feel more ready for tomorrow. Better days can start with very small actions. You can clean your room a little. You can walk outside for 5 minutes. You can write one sentence about your feelings. You can breathe deeply 3 times. These actions are simple for your English level and simple for your life too. But they help a lot. They show that you still care about yourself. Your future is not fixed. It is open. You can change. You can learn. You can try new things. You can meet new people. You can become stronger. You can grow slowly, step by step. A plant does not grow in one day. It grows a little each day. You are the same. You grow a little each day, even when you do not see it. Some bad days teach you something important. They teach you patience. They teach you courage. They teach you kindness. They teach you how to understand others. These lessons make you a better person. They make you ready for better days. Better days do not mean perfect days. They mean days with more peace, more hope, and more smiles. You will still have problems sometimes, but you will feel stronger. You will know how to stand up again. You will know how to breathe and try one more time. When you think about your future, try to tell yourself these simple words. Good days are coming. I will be okay. Say them in the morning. Say them at night. Say them when you feel scared. Say them when you feel small. These words give your heart power. These words help your mind stay open. Think about a person walking on a long road. The road is dark. The air is cold. The person feels tired. But the person keeps walking. Every step brings them closer to morning. Every step brings them closer to light. This person is you. You are on your way to your better days. One day, you will wake up and feel different. You will feel lighter. You will feel more ready. You will feel more hopeful. You may not know why, but you will feel it. This is a better day. And more better days will follow. They may come slowly, but they will come. You are not alone on your journey. Many people also fight their own hard days. Many people also wait for better days. We are all trying. We are all learning. We are all growing. This is what makes us human. So please do not give up. Do not stop believing in yourself. You have strength inside you. You have kindness inside you. You have hope inside you. Even when life feels dark, your light is still there. Better days are coming. They may come tomorrow. They may come next week. They may come next month. But they're coming. Step by step, breath by breath, you are walking toward them. Take a deep breath. Put your hand on your heart. Feel it beat. This is life. This is hope. This is your sign that better days will arrive. You can continue. You can grow. You can find joy again. Better days are coming for you. Believe it. Trust it. Keep going. You are stronger than you think, and your story is not finished yet.